everything, and I'll try to complete most of it within this duration. To give you a quick story time about how my unit test went. This subject has been traumatizing me since the beginning of 11. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be mostly about a post-exam rant and also clearing up or decluttering the mess that I've created in the past 1 week. So today is 17th of May, Sunday, and I had my early morning tuition from 6:30 a.m. I came back. Yesterday was 16th May, and yesterday my first unit examination for the last academic session got over. I mean, इतना एकदम खींच के बताने की कोई ज़रूरत थी नहीं, बट आई कीप रिमाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ दैट दिस इज़ माई लास्ट ईयर इन स्कूल, बट वट एवर. सो आई नीड टू डीक्लटर माई रूम, क्योंकि इस एक हफ्ते में मैंने कुछ तो सामान कुछ एकदम क्लियर किया नहीं है. तो जो भी मैं निकाल रही थी वार्डरोब से या कहीं से भी, वो वहीं पे मैं रख दे रही थी. सो it piled up and now I'll have to clear all of that out. So if you can see the table in the background, then I needed to take out some of my documents जो मुझे मिल नहीं रहे थे, and that ended up in that. So अभी यहाँ से शायद पता नहीं चल रहा हो, पर it's horrible at this point. So I need to declutter all of that, and along with that I'll give you some updates about how my exam went. So yeah, that's pretty much what this video will contain. Now there are also certain things that I'll tell you. The first thing is that today our summer vacation started. Okay, actually it started yesterday only, but yesterday we have school, so that doesn't count. So from today our summer vacation begins, and we have a month-long summer vacation. But there is an important thing to keep in mind, is that it might look like a long vacation, but it's not really, because there's a lot that I'll be doing within this period, clearing backlogs. Then I also have projects, practicals, बहुत कुछ करने हैं जिसमें टाइम चला जाएगा. So I hope I'll be able to document all of that, what I did in my summer vacation, and probably I'll be trying to make more content. So for today, this is all about the video. Let's begin. I quickly got into my aesthetic jhadu pocha karne wala character, and I then started with cleaning my study area. I was arranging my certificates, important documents, books and copies, जो फिर मेरे पैर में भी गिर गए थे. आई विश जितना जल्दी सब कुछ हो जाता जितना जल्दी यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. सो आई डू लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग माई रूम, बट आई हेट डस्टिंग, सो मुझे वो भी करना पड़ा था. और यहाँ मैं ड्रॉर क्लीन कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि चूहे घुस के पेपर्स काट दिए थे इसके अंदर. उसके बाद मैंने थोड़े इधर उधर के भी डस्टिंग किए, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सप्लाईज थी जो मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज किए. मूव टू द ड्रेसिंग टेबल एरिया, जहाँ पे मेरे ही सामान फैले हुए थे थोड़े से, हेयर एक्सेसरीज, ज्वेलरीज, मेकअप वगैरह, कैलेंडर. खाली हो गया, and it's pretty much clean. At least looks better than what it looked before. So that was it for the cleaning part. Now I'm gonna go take shower, and then I'll be back to give you a quick story time about how my unit test went. So yeah. So now it's time for some updates about my Unit 1 examination. So this is the place where I usually study. This is my study area, as you can see already. So I prefer talking here because यहीं पे मैं सारी study related discussions करती हूँ. So now starting off with my first examination, which was of biology. Now that went pretty average, I would say, because I don't personally study biology, okay, because that's not my focus. I'm only studying it for boards. So currently I'm giving it a pause, and now in this summer vacation time I'm gonna do like I try to complete half of the biology syllabus within the summer vacation period. So I'm not really focusing on biology as of now, and I was focusing on the other 3 subjects, which is PCM, because my physics and maths are really weak. So I'll need to work, I mean physics is really weak, so I need to work on both of those subjects. So I because biology I'm already good at it, boards में भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे marks आते हैं, even 11 12 like I can manage. मतलब good bad का क्या ही है, you'll just need to rote learn. So basically that is because why I'm not studying biology at this point. This is not over smartness, this is confidence, because I have confidence in biology. जब तक वो shatter नहीं होता फिलहाल के लिए, तो I'm not studying biology. So I'm not very dissatisfied or satisfied with the biology exam, which I mean I'm okay with whatever the outcome is. The next exams were English literature and language exam. Now for me, both of the exams went really well. However, the language, the objective part was a little tricky, but the directed writing one I did well. Now with literature the entire paper went well, so I'm looking forward to good marks in literature, but I'm not sure what will happen. But in language, I think I can do good. But yeah, that is it for English language and literature. Overall reaction to the exam is okay. I mean, I know how the marks will be. So out of 80, probably I'll get 12 to 15, not more than that, because that is what it has been. Even in class 10, I scored 94 and 90 in boards, but I got below 70 in all the exams in school, half yearly, pre-boards. So I'm not really concerned with English. Coming up is okay. Now this I'll leave for later. First, talk about maths. So maths was the next examination, which was, the paper was really nice. Okay, I could solve all those sums, but the problem is time. It's not like I was slow. Everyone was running out of time, and they did run out of time. They could not complete the paper. Even I could not complete the paper. So the paper was lengthy, but the ones I've attempted properly, those I have done correct. Now no silly mistakes, which I'm really proud of myself, because maths without silly mistakes is not something that exists in my dictionary. But this time I managed to make no silly mistakes, which I'm really proud of. But touch wood, I hope this persists and I don't fail doing the same in the next examination. What is wrong with my camera? Okay. And then comes chemistry. Now I'll save the best for the last. I mean, not the best, but yeah. So I had chemistry yesterday, which is Friday, 16th of May, and chemistry went disastrous. I don't know, I was sleep deprived. I did not sleep for the entire week, and I was feeling really tired, hectic week, and everything. They all kicked in. During the examination, I was writing. The paper was also lengthy, so I was writing, and I had 3-4 questions left when I look at the watch, and I was having only 10 minutes left, so I panicked. And then I somehow completed the questions, and the ones that I had left to do later, I could not attempt them because of short of time. And that was pretty much about chemistry. Chemistry was the worst, maybe. And then I have physics. This subject has been traumatizing me since the beginning of 11. I mean, 10th maybe I was a little traumatized by physics, but 11 was way more traumatizing than 10th. And somehow 12th ki shuru se I am getting good vibes about physics, and I'm liking physics. And क्योंकि marks भी अब शायद आ जाएंगे, तो I am hoping कि the exam went really well. I could not do a 3-mark derivation, and that did hurt me a little, but okay, derivations are like रटना होता है बस. The numericals I could do. I'm proud of myself. So yeah, I hope this persists, and I hope it remains the same in the next examination, because whenever I'm too happy or too content with any exam, the next exam goes disastrous. So yeah, touch wood, hoping for good things only, and keeping positive energy alive. That is it for my examination week, rant, whatever. Now today my summer vacation begins, so I'm looking forward to a very productive summer vacation, clearing backlogs, doing my projects, everything, and I'll try to complete most of it within this duration. I'll also sacrifice 1 hour sleep every day. So if I sacrifice 1 hour sleep for a month, I'll get enough time to do a lot of things. So these 1 hour sleep will particularly be dedicated to doing of projects, because I don't want to do projects during my study time. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you will like this type of content if I do make such contents any further. And please don't forget to review or share your opinion about what type of contents you want to see next. And if you are in 12th grade right now, and I am assuming if you are in CBSE or in ISC 12th grade, I am assuming that you have either given your exam, or you're giving your exam, or you have it in like 1 month max. So don't forget to share your experience of how your exam went, not in the sense of marks, but in general, like I shared my experience. How was your exam as well? Don't forget to mention that. All the best if you have your exams upcoming. Please share your thoughts about your preparation and everything. If you've already given your exam, good or bad, just remember, don't give up on the hard work you're doing. One day your results will show.
सो दैट वाज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, होपफुली रियली सून. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.
In my room.
स्वर्ग से उतरी हुई कोकिल कंठी अप्सरा लग रही हो.